To install Cinema HD on an Android TV, begin by downloading the Downloader app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for Downloader by AFTV News, and install it. Afterward, go to your device's settings, select Device Preferences, then Security and Restrictions, and enable Install Apps from External Sources for Downloader. This allows the installation of APK files. Next, open Downloader. Go to the Home tab and enter the URL jailbreakmebox.com/cinema to download the Cinema HD APK. Once the file is downloaded, click Install, and after installation, instead of opening the app right away, choose Done and delete the APK file to save storage space. Return to the home screen where you'll find Cinema HD installed and ready to open. When you launch Cinema HD for the first time, allow any permissions requested as these enable downloads for subtitles or other content. You can customize the app to display various lists like top-rated shows, currently airing programs, or popular movies. If you have a Real Debris or Tracked account, you can link it in the settings for higher quality streaming options and personalized watch lists.